So the deal is done. You sold the property. But before you really celebrate, someone else wants in on the action. Yep, that new player is the IRS. And trust me, they're just as excited about your success as you are. That's right, we're talking a potential 30% of your hard-earned profit. Just gone. Vanished. Okay, so how do you keep more of your money? Here's our game plan for doing exactly that. All right, first things first. You gotta understand the tax hit. Let's break down what you're up against. Think of it like 3 different hands reaching for your pocket. Each one is gonna take a pretty big slice. So how does the IRS even figure this out? Well, the whole thing really comes down to one crucial number. And that number is your adjusted basis. It's the true cost of your investment, not just what you paid for it. Let's run the numbers. Add your improvements, subtract depreciation, and boom, there's your starting point. Now just subtract that basis from your sale price. And that number right there, that's your taxable gain. Okay, enough about the problem. Let's talk solutions. First up is a strategy called the seller carry. This is where you become the bank. You finance the deal and get paid over time, not in one lump sum. Why do this? You spread out the tax hit, earn interest, and create a steady stream of income. It's a win-win. All right, on to strategy number 2. This one's a classic move for savvy real estate investors. It's a swap. You just roll your profit into a new like-kind property, which is basically any other investment property. But listen, the clock is ticking on this one. You've got 45 days to pick and 180 to close. No exceptions. Okay, so you've got 2 great options here, the seller carry or the 1031 swap. So how do you choose? It really boils down to this one simple question. Are you after steady income, or do you want to reinvest and grow? This chart makes it simple. Your goal, whether it's cash flow or growth, really points you to the best option. And just look at the difference in the money you get to keep working for you. The difference is huge. The biggest takeaway here, planning ahead is everything. So let's wrap this up with your action plan. Do this stuff before you sign anything. Seriously, this checklist could save you a ton of money. Because freedom isn't just about selling, it's about selling smart and keeping what you've earned.